Another command class is rotate, no? So for rotate, you can just type RO, enter, select the object, for example, no, the vertical one, enter, and let's say here, no, this will be our base point. Click that one. So as you can see, class, you can rotate that, no, at 90 degrees. If you want more freedom, just click, no, this ortho mode, no, make it no, siyang off. So basically, you can you can rotate the line, no, at any degrees, no? You can specify degrees, 30. Okay. So basically, from vertical, it goes to this side, no, at 30 degrees. No? Okay, this one, no, RO, no, enter, click that one, enter. Let's say it is on. So basically, rotation at 90 degrees, no? But if you make this ortho mode off, then you can have any degrees, no? Let's say 60. You type 60, enter. Okay. Let's say this one, no? Another, no? RO, enter. Click the object, enter. You need the base point, then you can rotate, no? RO, select, RO, click here, no? So you can basically rotate, no? Escape, no? That's for class, no? Siyang rotate.